Take a ride in the 2018 GMC Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec engine with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote engine start, lane departure warning, power liftgate, traction control, keyless entry, stability control, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, backup camera. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.